Imagine having the power to say something that not only melts her heart, but also deepens her feelings for you. The journey of romance is filled with twists and turns, each offering opportunities for genuine connection. Today, I'm excited to share 5 incredibly impactful phrases that can help you forge a stronger bond with her. Are you ready to unlock transformative secrets that could change your love life? If so, stay tuned until the end for a special bonus phrase that could be a game changer. Before diving into these powerful phrases, let's explore 2 essential principles that will enhance the effectiveness of your words. These phrases serve as powerful tools in your romantic toolkit, but they must originate from a place of genuine sincerity. You can't simply recite them like a rehearsed script. Authenticity is what creates lasting connections. As Maya Angelou wisely said, "People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." Think back to a time when someone expressed something heartfelt to you. How did that make you feel? When you share your thoughts sincerely, you create an emotional bond that can lead to deeper affection. Reflecting on your feelings and experiences while sharing these phrases will make your expressions feel more organic and impactful. Authenticity also means being vulnerable. Sharing your true self can foster intimacy. The more you show your genuine side, the more she'll feel comfortable opening up to you. Vulnerability can be a strength. It allows for deeper connections and a more profound understanding of each other. For example, when I was dating someone special, I shared my fears and dreams with her. It was a risk, but it opened up a dialogue that brought us closer together. She appreciated my honesty, and it created a safe space for her to share her own insecurities. It's essential to recognize that some of these phrases are most effective when used after you've developed a meaningful connection. Timing can significantly affect how your words are received. For example, declaring your love on a first date might feel overwhelming and could potentially scare her off. Instead, nurture your relationship gradually, allowing it to unfold naturally. This approach fosters comfort and openness between you, enhancing the impact of your words. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. By allowing your relationship to develop organically, your expressions will carry more weight. Think of the moments you've shared together, the laughter, the conversations, the quiet moments. These experiences lay the groundwork for your deeper expressions of affection. When you say something meaningful, it will resonate more because of the shared memories and experiences that preceded it. Now, let's explore these enchanting phrases that can change the dynamics of your relationship. Phrase 1. You matter to me. This seemingly simple statement carries profound significance. Everyone desires validation and the assurance of being valued. When you tell her that she matters, you affirm her worth and importance in your life. Consider this scenario. After a challenging week, you plan a special dinner to show her how much you appreciate her. Amidst the conversation, you pause and say, "You know, you really matter to me." This small acknowledgement can brighten her day and reinforce your bond. In my experience, I once told a close friend, "You have a unique light that brightens my life." The response was immediate. Her eyes lit up, and she shared how much she needed to hear that at that moment. This simple affirmation can foster a sense of belonging, which is vital in any relationship. As author Brené Brown puts it, "Connection is why we're here. It's what gives purpose and meaning to our lives." By expressing this sentiment, you invite deeper discussions about feelings, dreams, and aspirations. To make it even more impactful, consider following up with specific examples of moments when she made an impact on your life. For instance, "Remember when you supported me through that tough time? That meant the world to me." Personalizing your message makes it even more powerful and shows that you genuinely care. Additionally, you might share how her actions inspired you or changed your perspective. For example, the way you handled that situation at work was incredible. It taught me so much about resilience. This not only affirms her worth, but also highlights her strengths. Phrase 2. Do you want to talk about it? This phrase taps into a fundamental human need, the desire for connection through communication. Women often bond by sharing their thoughts and feelings, and they need to feel heard and understood. By offering your ear and genuinely expressing interest in her experiences, you create a nurturing environment for her to open up. Imagine she's had a tough day and seems distant. Instead of letting it slide, you lean in and ask, "Do you want to talk about it?" This simple act of listening can profoundly impact her emotional state. In my own life, I remember a friend who was going through a difficult breakup. When I asked her if she wanted to talk, she opened up about her feelings, and it turned into a heart-to-heart that strengthened our friendship. The Dalai Lama said, "When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new." By showing empathy and being present, you establish trust and strengthen your connection. To further enhance this moment, create a comfortable environment for these conversations. Whether it's over coffee in a cozy cafe or during a peaceful walk in the park, the setting can make it easier for her to share her thoughts. You might also offer to listen without judgment, saying something like, "I'm here for you no matter what." This reassurance can go a long way in making her feel safe to express herself. Also, consider the power of follow-up questions. Once she opens up, ask her how she feels about it or what she thinks might help. This shows you're not only listening, but also invested in her well-being. Phrase 3. I like you. Being direct about your feelings can be daunting, yet it's a crucial step in building attraction. When you openly share that you like her, you reinforce your confidence and masculinity, qualities that many women find appealing. Imagine this scenario. After a delightful outing, you look her in the eyes and say, "I really like you." This honest expression can be refreshing, showing her that you're serious about pursuing a relationship. In my experience, I once hesitated to express my feelings to someone I cared about. When I finally mustered the courage to say, "I like you," it opened the door for deeper conversations and a more profound connection. As Ralph Waldo Emerson stated, "The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be." Your decision to be open about your feelings invites her to reciprocate, creating a space of mutual vulnerability and connection. To make this moment even more special, consider the setting. Perhaps it's during a sunset at the beach or after an exciting event. The right moment can make your words resonate even more deeply. You might also follow up by sharing what specifically you like about her, her sense of humor, her kindness, or her passion for her interests. This specificity shows that you truly pay attention to her. You could enhance this further by sharing a specific memory that made you realize your feelings, like, "When you laughed at my silly joke last week, I knew I liked you even more." This not only makes your admission more personal, but also strengthens the emotional connection. Phrase 4. You always look beautiful to me. This phrase holds immense power, especially during moments when she might feel self-conscious. Whether she's had a long day or is simply feeling underdressed, your reassurance that she is beautiful can make her feel cherished. Picture this. She arrives feeling a bit off after a busy day, and you say, "You always look beautiful to me." This statement not only boosts her confidence, but also deepens the emotional bond between you. I recall a time when a close friend expressed her insecurities before a big event. I looked at her and said, "You're stunning, just as you are." The smile that spread across her face was worth it. Robert M. Drake wisely noted, "Beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart." Your words can illuminate that light, showing her that her worth goes beyond mere appearances. To enhance this compliment, consider sharing specific things you find beautiful about her: her smile, her laughter, or even the way she lights up a room. This personal touch adds depth to your words and makes her feel truly seen and appreciated. You might say, "The way you smile makes everything around you brighter," which can create a lasting impression. Also, think about the context in which you deliver this phrase. If you're at a gathering and she seems a bit unsure about her outfit, whispering this compliment in her ear can feel intimate and special. It shows that you're not just saying it to make her feel good, you're genuinely expressing your admiration. Phrase 5. How can I help? This seemingly straightforward question can carry significant weight. By offering assistance, you demonstrate that you are dependable and caring, qualities that resonate deeply with women seeking a meaningful relationship. Imagine she's overwhelmed by tasks or personal challenges. When you ask, "How can I help?" it shows that you genuinely care about her well-being. This kind of support speaks volumes about your character. In my own life, I have often been in situations where friends were stressed or anxious. By simply asking, "How can I help?" I was able to provide support and reassurance, which strengthened our bonds. As the saying goes, true love is not about perfection. It is about accepting each other's imperfections. Your willingness to assist reinforces your role as a supportive partner. To make this offer even more impactful, be specific. Instead of a general, "How can I help?" try, "Would you like me to help you with that project this weekend?" This shows initiative and an understanding of her needs. You could even offer to take on specific tasks, like running errands together or helping her with a hobby she enjoys. Additionally, you might also suggest doing something relaxing together afterward. For instance, "How about I help you with that, and then we can watch your favorite movie together?" This way, you're not only offering help, but also creating an opportunity for connection and enjoyment afterward. Before I reveal the bonus phrase, I want to ask you a quick question. Would you like to see more content like this? If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is crucial. It helps me understand what resonates with you, allowing me to create even more engaging content. Building a community that supports each other in navigating the complexities of relationships is vital. Your insights and experiences can contribute to this journey. Bonus phrase, "I'll always be here for you." This phrase is one of my absolute favorites. The assurance that you will always be there for her is incredibly comforting. It signifies reliability and emotional support, crucial qualities for anyone seeking a long-term partner. Think about the power of those words. "I'll always be here for you." They evoke feelings of safety and security, which are essential for building a lasting relationship. By expressing your commitment to be there during both good times and bad, you present yourself as a strong and loving figure, inviting her to envision a future together. Helen Keller beautifully stated, "Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much." Your willingness to stand by her side creates a profound bond that fosters growth and connection. To make this phrase even more impactful, consider sharing a personal story where you stood by someone during a tough time. This not only illustrates your commitment, but also reinforces that you understand the importance of being there for one another. You might say, "When my friend was struggling, I made sure to be there for her every step of the way. I want you to know I'll do the same for you." Also, think about how you can demonstrate this commitment through your actions. Regularly checking in on her, being available when she needs to talk, or simply being her cheerleader during difficult times can reinforce your words and show her that you truly mean it. At this point, You might be reflecting on your own experiences or feeling hesitant about expressing these phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start incorporating these phrases into your daily interactions, whether with friends, family, or in casual conversations. The more comfortable you become with expressing your feelings, the easier it will be to share them with someone special. Thank you for being here and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so and ring that notification bell. Share this video with a friend who could benefit from these phrases, and please leave any comments or questions you might have. And for those of you who stayed until the end, welcome to the secret end of the video club. The word of the day is trust. If you leave that in the comments, I'll know you're part of this special group. Thank you once again for your support. Remember, you are awesome, and I can't wait to see you next week. Have a fantastic day filled with positivity and joy.